Welcome to SAP Knowledge in a Nutshell. In this video, we will explore the mass processing features available in SAP User Administration to create multiple users or maintain them in one go. Today, we will focus on the functionality to mass assign a set of roles to users. SAP provides a dedicated transaction for the mass creation of users and the mass maintenance of existing user master records. So let's get started and launch transaction code SU10 for the SAP Mass User Maintenance. SU10 allows you to manage multiple users at once, all from a single screen. Here we enter a list of usernames we want to process. You have several options. You can create new users if they don't exist yet, lock or unlock accounts, reset passwords, or assign roles to all selected users. By clicking on the pencil icon, we enter the edit mode, which is similar to the interface you know from transaction SU01. Here we can update the user master data in bulk mode. Let's start in the Logon Data tab. Here we can assign our users to a user group or define the validity date for their accounts. Please note, passwords are not set here. To assign individual passwords for each user, use the Change Password function we saw earlier on the main screen of SU10. Next, we move to the Roles tab to assign authorizations. Keep in mind that SU10 applies the same roles to all selected users. For flexible, user-specific assignments, our software solution Xiting Authorizations Management Suite offers more advanced options. Let's assign a role to our selected users. First, we check the box labeled Add, as we want to assign additional roles to the users selected. Then we enter the desired role names in the list. If you're working in a CUA environment for central user administration, don't forget to enter the target system as well. Now we click the Save button to apply the changes. The system immediately shows a log where we can review all applied actions, including both the master data adjustments and the new role assignments. Thank you for watching. Would you like to find out more? Check out our video channel on our homepage or feel free to contact us. We will get back to you as soon as possible.